If you would like to fold a quilt in your home, the best place is probably on a bed. You would want a bed that has a clean surface on it. You might put a clean sheet down. Then you would be able to have a nice flat surface and something you could walk around. The first step is to lay it out flat. The second step is to decide how you want to fold it, and then place some wadded up logs of tissue in the folds to pad them.
We make a tube of acid-free tissue paper that we scrunch up and we twist, and we put it in there to act as a pillow in there to keep the crease from collapsing on itself and making it a sharp crease. So all of this tissue paper that we line the quilt with, all the folds, all the creases, helps to prevent any cracking of the fibers and gives it some support along those creases.
So it doesn't matter exactly how you fold it as far as the size and the shape.
So usually when we fold a sheet or a blanket, we fold it in half and then in half again and then in half again. So try to avoid that. And you'll be able to tell, you'll be able to see the crease marks, and you'll say, okay, that's what I want to avoid. I don't want to fold along those lines again. In the museum, of course, we wear gloves when we handle most objects. And especially quilts, we wear either nitrile gloves or cotton gloves. But at home, it is perfectly acceptable to make sure your hands are washed and very dry.
I think some of the common mistakes that people make in folding and storing quilts is that they fold them too small.
Usually I keep the box that we're going to be putting it in right beside it so that I can see the box and know how big it has to be to fit into the box.
We use here boxes that are 18 inches wide by 30 inches long by 6 inches high, and that accommodates most quilts.